How to fix the notes on Instagram, Reels or post not showing up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're facing this issue, here are three possible solutions that you can try on. To get started with, make sure you have a strong internet connection. If not, you can switch between networks and mobile data to check if the issue persists. However, if this does not help, let's move on to the second solution. For this, open Play Store or App Store on your device and on the search bar type in Instagram. Now, if there's any update available, make sure that you are using the latest version on Instagram. Once you have updated, make sure to check and re-log in into the Instagram application. Likewise, for the third solution, you will have to long press your Instagram application and then go to App Info. Under App Info, tap on Permissions and make sure all the required permissions are given. If it is not the case, you can go back to the previous page and storage and cache. Then clear the cache. After this, relaunch the Instagram app and the issue should be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.